Rise App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how personal finance apps have evolved in 2025. Rise promises budgeting, savings tools, and financial insights, but is it worth adding to your toolkit? The surprising truth is motivation. Most people get this wrong by assuming finance apps only track spending. Rise helps users set goals, monitor progress, and receive actionable advice, turning financial management into a rewarding habit. One major advantage is personalization. You won't believe what happens next when you see Rise customizes recommendations based on income, spending patterns, and personal goals. Automated savings features encourage consistent deposits, while reminders help keep users accountable. The app also provides educational resources, analytics, and visual dashboards, making it easy to understand finances at a glance. Integration with bank accounts ensures real-time updates and accurate tracking. However, there are cons. Some features require a premium subscription, and customization options may be limited compared to advanced financial platforms. Users with complex finances may find the app insufficient for their needs. In conclusion, Rise in 2025 is ideal for individuals seeking a motivating, easy-to-use financial management app. While subscription costs and feature limits exist, the combination of personalized insights, goal tracking, and user-friendly design makes Rise a strong choice for those looking to improve financial habits.